Hey everyone, this is Abacus.com with a brief video tutorial on our multiplication rule. So basically in this video, we're going to be covering how multiplication works on an abacus. And the way this process begins is that we're going to multiply the first number by the number that's given to us, and then the second number by the number that's given to us as well. So for the purposes of this example, we're going to be working on 52 times 9. So for this, we're going to be working on the 2-digit spot as you see on the abacus down below with the numbers up above. So first we're going to do 9 times 5. 9 times 5 equals 45, so we're going to add 45 starting at the second digit. However, a very important rule to keep in mind though, if the number is greater than 10 or equal to 10, you have to move it 1 over to the left. If the number is less than 10, you stay where you are. So because 45 is greater than 10, we're going to move it 1 over to the 3 spot. And now we're going to work at the second number starting at the first digit. So we're going to do 9 times 2. 9 times 2 equals 18, and much like before, because 18 is greater than 10, we're going to move it 1 over to the left. So now it's going to begin at the 2-digit spot rather than 1 digit. Because it is, our final answer is now 468. We're going to reset our abacus and we're going to work on the next example. We have 76 times 4, and much like before, we're going to multiply the first number by the number that's given to us, and then the second number by the number that's given to us. And we're also going to start at this 2-digit spot like before as well. So first we have 7 times 4. 7 times 4 equals 28, and because 28 is greater than 10, we're going to move it 1 spot over to the left. So it's going to be in a 3-digit spot this time around. And now, for the 6 times 4, it starts at the 1-digit spot. 6 times 4 equals 24. And because 24 is greater than 10, we have to bring it 1 spot over to the left, to the 2-digit spot. So we're going to add 24 to our abacus. And because it is, our final answer is now 304. So we're going to reset our abacus, and we're going to work on our final example. This is a very good instance of when we don't have to move over to the left. This is only for numbers that are greater than 10 or equal to 10. However, in this instance, we're going to have numbers that are less than 10. So we have 15 times 5. So like before, we're going to start in a 2-digit spot, and we're going to do 1 times 5 first. 1 times 5 equals 5. And because that number is less than 10, we're going to stay right where we are at the 2-digit spot. We don't have to move over because remember, it is not greater than 10. And then we're going to start at the 1-digit spot for the second number, 5 times 5. Because 5 times 5 equals 25, and that is a number greater than 10, we have to move 1 spot over to the left. So we're going to start at the 2-digit spot this time around, thus making our final answer 75. Thank you for joining us in this brief video tutorial on multiplication. Tune in again next time. We're going to cover more of the concepts in future videos as well. Have a nice day, and until then.